Running an e-commerce business is not just about having a store. You need to capture leads, follow up with visitors, recover abandoned carts, answering customer messages, and build long-term relationships. Doing all this manually or using many different tools can be stressful. This is why many e-commerce entrepreneurs are now using GoHighLevel. In this video, I will explain in very simple way how GoHighLevel works for e-commerce and how you can set it step by step for your business. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you to grow without any confusion. If you like easy explanations and practical steps, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use the link in the description. When you use that link, any special trial or discount will be applied automatically. You can get the 30 days free trial link on GoHighLevel. You can get the live bootcamp access and get some exclusive bonuses. So grab the offer by using that link, and now let's move to the main part of the video and understand the full GoHighLevel setup for e-commerce entrepreneurs. The first step is lead capture. In e-commerce, not every visitor buys on the first visit. GoHighLevel allows you to create the landing pages and forms where visitors can enter their name or phone number. These pages can be used for discount offers, free shipping offers, or special deals. Once a visitor submits their details, the lead is saved automatically inside GoHighLevel. Next comes to automation setup. This is where GoHighLevel becomes very powerful. When a lead enters your system, GoHighLevel can instantly send a welcome email or SMS. For example, if someone signs up for a discount, the system can automatically send the coupon code. This happens without any manual work and ensures the fast responses, which increases trust and conversions. Another important setup is abandoned cart follow-up. Many customers add the products to cart but do not complete the purchase. With GoHighLevel, you can create automation that sends reminder messages to these customers. These reminders can be friendly and helpful. Simple follow-ups often bring customers back to complete their order, which directly increase the revenue. GoHighLevel also helps the customer communication. All emails, text messages, and replies come into one central inbox. This makes it very easy to manage customer questions, delivery issues, and support requests. Instead of checking the many platforms, e-commerce owner can handle everything from one place. Another key part of this setup is pipeline and tagging. Pipelines help you to see where customers are in the buying journey. Tags help you to label the customers based on action like purchased, repeat buyer, or interested but not bought. This organization help you to send the right message at the right customer at the right time. GoHighLevel also supports post-purchase follow-ups. After someone buys from your store, the system can automatically send a thank you message or maybe order updates and review requests. Asking for the reviews at the right time helps build brand trust and improves future sales. You can also send follow-up offers to encourage the repeat purchase. Another useful setup is the broadcast campaigns. GoHighLevel allows e-commerce entrepreneurs to send emails or SMS to selected customer groups. This is useful for product launches, flash sales, or special announcements. Because your audience is already organized, your messages feel more relevant and get better response. For growing brands, analytics and tracking are also important. GoHighLevel shows how many messages were sent, opened, and replied to. This helps you understand what works and what needs improvement. When you see clear data, you can make smarter marketing decisions. In simple words, GoHighLevel helps e-commerce entrepreneurs by capturing leads, automating follow-ups, recovering abandoned carts, managing customer communication, organizing buyers, and increasing repeat sales all from one platform. So that's it basically. Thank you so much for watching this video. If this video helped you to understand the full GoHighLevel setup for e-commerce business, make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel, and don't forget to use the link from description to start using GoHighLevel with any special offer applied automatically. And I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.